down in doing the obstacle course. The bees! The bees! We're doing rock, paper, scissors to see who will start this challenge. But there's a twist. You have to do it in the quickest time as possible. And they'll go first and some challenges later. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Yeah! Oh, I have to do this one on my own because Ava's in trouble. Let's go! 2, 1, go! Now has to pedal the tractor all the way through to the blue cave. So through the blue cones. He's not that strong to lift this tyre up. I'm easily going to beat this. Not that strong to lift it. I think he's on my team is going that slow. I think he's on my team if he's that slow. So 1 minute 20. Do you know this is a race? He did it in 3 minutes and 36 seconds. So easy to beat. Now watch the pro. Easy. Not. 3, 2, 1, go! coming. Well, it's not slow as a snail, that.
Yes, no, like snail.
He's gonna go over the box. He's got 1 minute and 31 seconds left. Mason's time was 3 minutes 19 seconds, but he did sort of cheat. He didn't actually get it in the hoop.
Well, we never said you didn't have to. They just made up that rule then.
Well, I did, so I actually technically won. Part 2. Me and Sebastian have to find an item of food beginning with the same letter of our name. Mine is because mine is Mason and Sebastian's is Sebastian. Let's have a look in the drawers.
Hey, I want to join in. My name's Harper. I need to eat her.
Let's have a look in the cupboards then. Some muffins. That begins with a T. There's beans, no.
You can have them.
We've got some Snickers. 9 packs. Snickers. I've got 8 muffins because my name begins with a I've got 4 Snickers because my name begins with S. You've got some hula hoops.
I've got hula hoops. They begin with a hip.
If you finish your plate in 1 minute, you get 10 seconds off your obstacle time. Daddy's out today, so he doesn't know we're eating rubbish. So we need to get this down quick before he comes in. Let the game begin! Take 2. We tried it with the last amount of food we had, but we couldn't even get one down in 20 seconds. So we've had to do it down to, I have 2 muffins, Sebastian has 1 Snicker, and Harper just eating away. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm trying to eat my Snicker all.
20 seconds left. And time up.
Who would have thought it would take 1 minute to eat 2 tiny muffins? Outrageous. I had to do a load of chewing. on that
Then
picnic.
I had to eat all these hula hoops, but I ate all of them.
Well, that's just ridiculous. Well, it looks like no one got 10 seconds and took off their obstacle course.
The winner of the obstacle course is Mason.
Woo!
Good for you, Meg.
Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Actiphons official channel. Bye!